This is a brand new 2014 Mazda CX-9. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a speed-sensitive volume control system, a multi-link rear suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, a 6-speaker audio system, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Mazda of Greenfield is located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. Experience the Darrow difference.